Boys and girls, I present to you a Patriots missile. Shawn, and listen to the CR500 in his memory. The Patriots missile, restored in memory of Shawn Kerkes, rest in peace. Shawn was a real American patriot. We restored it, of course, in his favorite colors, red, white, and blue. Shawn was a Vietnam War era veteran, serving the United States Air Force. After that, he spent 25 years in the United States Air Force in the Air National Guard. He went on to get his master's degree from Florida State University in International Affairs and Cybersecurity. His goal was to work at the highest level in Washington, D.C. at the Pentagon for the Department of Defense. He went on to accomplish that, serving in the Department of Homeland Security and the Department of Cybersecurity at the highest level. He was a GS-15. To combat his high-stress career, his true love for motorcycles, fast cars, and steam engine locomotives he shared with his son, Joe, who helped me find homes for all 13 of his motorcycle collection, and his two favorite ones, a CR500 and a RT1 Yamaha 360, we restored in his memory. And his one goal that Shawn wasn't able to accomplish was restoring this CR500. He did not complete that, but I was given the honor to restore his beloved CR500 and making this his final dream come true. And I'd say it is really an incredibly beautiful motorcycle. So Merry Christmas to Joe, his family, and all the active and veterans of our armed forces and public services. And God bless America.